Hello friends. Welcome to Knowledge Factory. Today we going to talk about tallest tree in the world. It is redwood tree. Okay. Then let's go to the video. Sequoioideae, popularly known as redwoods, is a subfamily of coniferous trees within the family Cupressaceae. It is most common in the coastal forests of Northern California and is known for being the largest tree in the world. The three redwood subfamily genera are Sequoia and Sequoiadendron in the western United States, California, and Metasequoia in China. The redwood species contains the largest and tallest trees in the world. These trees can live for thousands of years. This is an endangered subfamily due to habitat losses from fire, ecology suppression, logging, and air pollution. Other threats to its existence include climate change, illegal marijuana cultivation, and burl poaching. Only two of the genera, Sequoia and Sequoiadendron, are known for massive trees. Trees of Metasequoia, from the single living species Metasequoia are much smaller. Multiple studies of both morphological and molecular characters have strongly supported the assertion that the Sequoioideae are monophyletic. Most modern phylogenies place Sequoia as sister to Sequoiadendron and Metasequoia as the outgroup. However, Yang et al. Went on to investigate the origin of a peculiar genetic artifact of the Sequoioideae, the polyploidy of Sequoia, and generated a notable exception that calls into question the specifics of this relative consensus. Hubei and Hunan Province, China. The native habitat of Metasequoia is in Chongqing Municipality in south-central China. California, USA. The native habitat of Sequoiadendron giganteum trees is only on the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada range of California. The native habitat of Sequoia sempervirens trees is only in the Northern California coastal forest Sequoia region, on the Northern California coast and several miles into Oregon.